out, I get very hurt. There ain't no point in trying to change your mind. Seems like you got it all figured out. You're alright with the way this is going down. Don't tell me we can still be friends, hang out on the weekend. You're gonna be okay if I start seeing somebody new. Hope that I do, it won't be long till I forget to call every time that I'm drinking and you ain't the love song I can't keep from singing. I gotta be honest, you really believe that's true? You never loved me like I loved you. By the way you're talking, you would think never had any real feelings for me. And if you think I can look across the bar